Hey guys, so this is the utter Casablanca Panama. This one is in my sister's room. This is an IntelliTouch model. I hate IntelliTouch controls. And my sister and my mom also really hate it. I mean, this is a pretty Snow White one, and the blades are very glossy and pretty. It's also like loose on the ceiling, like it's not gonna fall, but it's gotten looser over the years we've lived here. I mean, more loose. That looser is not a word. But yeah, it's gonna be the new owner's problem though. So we don't really care. This fan, I mean, it wobbles pretty bad, but it blows a good amount of air like the other one, and it works pretty well. It's on the 6-speed IntelliTouch, so we'll start with speed 1. Speed 1 is literally just that. I don't even know what the point of this is. Like, the fan looks better off than like this. It's really pointless. As you can tell, it has a jiggle on the ceiling. We'll go up to speed 2. Speed 2 is like a winter speed. Not even. Like, I don't think it's doing anything like that. We'll get a speed 3. That is like an actual low speed. Good for the winter. I can feel a breeze from it. We'll go to speed 4. This is what speed, when this fan isn't really used, the other two are used a lot more. This is the speed that this one is used on when it is used. It doesn't really blow much air. The other one in the master bedroom blows more air. We'll go to 5. There's the wobble. You can hear a creaking noise as well. Blows a decent amount of air, but the one in the master bedroom definitely blows more. We'll go to 6 now. The one in the master bedroom is also faster. This one's kind of slow compared to the one in the master bedroom. It's still very fast though. You can hear the sound it's making. Airflow is pretty good though. We'll go ahead and turn the light on. Don't want to leave it like this for too long, but yeah. No, I'll get a look at it with the fan off. Stop the fan. There's the top. I'll try to get the best possible view of the tag. Alright, is that good? I don't know, I don't think that was very good. Well, that's honestly it for this fan. Bye, guys.